You're going to need some buns, meat, tomatoes, a cucumber, onions, a little bit of salad, salt, oregano, barbecue and pepper, some cheese, ketchup, måde, and some yogurt. Bowl, a teaspoon and a tablespoon, a knife, cutting board, pan bender, and a pan. Now we are going to need our pepper, salt, oregano, and barbecue and our yogurt. First, you need to put some yogurt in and some thymian, little bit of salt, pepper, barbecue. Firstly, you're gonna put the oil on the pan. Then you're going to put the meat patties on your pan.